Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the YouTube TV application. So first we need to understand whether you get YouTube TV updates or not. So I went on this page, that is Google community, and over here someone mentioned that YouTube TV does a lot of its updates behind the scenes, which doesn't require an app update. You won't get a different version even if you uninstall the app and reinstall it. You can check your system's app store to see if there is any updates available for YouTube TV, and it is also does make sense according to this person, that is from the platinum product expert. So it is from the Google community, that is saying that your application will automatically be updated with the latest version. But if it doesn't, you just have to simply go to the app store in your TV, and there you need to check whether you are getting any YouTube TV updates or not. If you see any update, you just have to simply click on the update option and wait for some time until the update is installed in your TV. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.